Hi there. Here's a little bit of information about the body of your ukulele. A ukulele is split into three parts: the head, like your own, the neck in the middle, and then the body at the bottom. This hole right here is called a sound hole. And of course that's where the vibration goes in and it bounces around inside the cave in there and then comes back out. This part down here that holds the strings up, this is called the bridge, because the bridge holds things up. The bridge. A ukulele has 4 strings, unlike a guitar which has 6. Up the neck of the ukulele, you'll see that it's divided into segments. There's these little metal strips that are across the neck that divide it into different segments. And this helps your string get a different sound. If you press on a string, it changes the pitch of the sound. So, for instance, if I play this string right here, if I pluck it with my thumb, it sounds like this. If I place my finger on that string, somewhere on the neck, it makes the string shorter. This part is the only part that's going to vibrate, and so this shorter piece makes a higher pitch. And higher. When you first use your ukulele, I would recommend that you play around with the strings a bit. Not with the head of it, not with the tuning part of it, but with the strings themselves. See what kinds of sounds you can make by pressing your fingers down on the strings and then moving them into different positions. You can even see if you can get it to sound different if you slide your finger along the fretboard. Naming fingers. Regardless of whether you're using your right hand or your left hand on the neck, finger number 1 is always your pointer finger, then 2, then 3, then 4. Naming the strings. Regardless of whether you're right-handed or left-handed, the string that is closest to your lap is always string number 1. Then it goes up, string number 2, number 3, and number 4. The C chord. Your third finger goes on the first string, string number 1, and it's in the 3rd fret. That's the 3rd space on your neck. Not on the line, in between 2 of the lines. C chord. On the head of your ukulele, you've got 4 tuning pegs. Each of these is connected to one of the strings that runs from the bridge up through the nut. This right here is called the nut. And, move my little flower out of the way, and it wraps around one of these little pegs right there. When you turn the key, it makes the string tighter by winding it around, or looser by letting it go just a little bit. If your ukulele is tuned already, like many of you, the ones that you got from school, I would recommend you don't play with them if it still sounds like it's supposed to.